Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to download a Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's official website using Google Chrome, you may see an error message saying, "We encountered a problem processing your request. Please try again later." In many cases, this issue is caused by a problem with Chrome settings rather than Microsoft's download servers. I'll show you a quick temporary fix first, and then a permanent solution. Temporary fix, use incognito mode. Open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select New Incognito window. In the incognito window, visit the Microsoft Windows download page again and try downloading the ISO. For many users, the download works immediately in incognito mode because Chrome temporarily disables extensions and ignores some stored browser data. Now let's fix it permanently. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu and select Settings. On the left side, click Reset Settings. Then select Restore Settings to their original default. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Chrome will reset its settings to default values. This can fix issues caused by corrupted settings, browser modifications, or problematic extensions. After the reset is complete, close Chrome and open it again. Now return to the Microsoft Windows download page and try downloading the ISO. The error should be resolved and the download should work normally. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you fix the Windows ISO download error in Chrome, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.